Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to the Louis Vuitton store to check out the latest collection on Takashi Murakami collaboration that launched on January 3rd, 2025 in stores and online. Now this is a really exciting collection because it is the 20th anniversary of the original LV Takashi Murakami collection. Now this collection has been iconic since its original drop, mainly because it was so different for the brand. It was really fun, it was lively, it was colorful, and also because Takashi Murakami is one of Japan's most acclaimed contemporary artists. So the pairing really got a lot of buzz. Now with this revamped collection, they did release about 200 SKUs, I believe, and you're seeing items such as mules, sunglasses, belts, bracelets, trunks, anything under the sun. There's a lot of bags. There are speedies, there are trunk bags, there are wallets in both the colorful Murakami colorways with the white with colorful or the black with colorful, as well as some pops of really intense neon colors, so like that vibrant neon blue. We also have an awesome set of shoes. So we have sneakers, we have slides, we have ballet flats, we have a lot of items in this collection. So really anything under the sun that you think is interesting, they probably have something. Now, the one qualm I do have is that they don't have a lot of duplicates. So for example, this scarf I really love in the white with the colorful, but they don't have the exact same scarf in the black with the colorful or the monogram, the brown monogram with the colorful. That is a bad example because I do think that the white with the colorful is the best, and we did pick it up and we've unboxed it on the Fashion Try-On, so be sure to check out that video. There are a lot of other scarves as well, which will take a minute to look at and try on a few. This collection also came in, some more accessible pieces. They have some accessories. They have a notebook, which is quite expensive for a notebook. It's $120 or $110 depending on the colorway that you choose, but that is going to be, I believe, the cheapest item in the collection. Now you do have this smaller, I believe this is the 55, the white with the colorful. It's a small square, so it's going to be, less versatile in my opinion. But then you also have this massive pareo. So this is the black with colorful colorway. They did also make this in the white with colorful colorway, which I genuinely think is so beautiful. I personally don't think that I would get that much wear out of this one because the LV is pretty loud and pretty concentrated, but let me know what you think in the comments below. I think the size of this is phenomenal. I think you can wear this with a cute white or any solid color, one of the 31 colors in the Murakami colorway, and wear that as a bathing suit cover up or a dress, or wear this as a top or an accessory. Now these are all the items that they had in our store that we visited, but do keep in mind there are a lot of other items, so as we experience more, we'll be happy to unbox and post more. So do be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell if you are interested in this collaboration so you don't miss a beat. Thanks for watching.